Global Model 641245 Auto Ride-On Floor Scrubber Quick Start Guide. This video guide will help get your floor scrubber set up and running quickly. Review the complete instruction manual included with your floor scrubber. Cut away the plastic wrapping and poly banding from the outer carton. Remove staples at base and lift the carton over the floor scrubber. Cut poly banding and remove wrapping from machine. Remove the wood chocks from the front and side wheels. Lift the control levers to raise the pad drivers and squeegee assembly. Lift the seat and recovery tank to access the battery compartment. Refer to the wiring diagram illustrating the proper connections. Connect red ring terminals to positive posts and black ring terminals to negative posts according to the diagram. Complete the wiring setup by connecting the battery plug to the power plug. Lower the built-in pallet ramp and check for clearance prior to machine drive-off. Turn the key to the on position and press the reverse drive button. Slowly back the floor scrubber off the shipping pallet and down the ramp. Use the included charger to fully charge batteries. Plug the charger into the charging port located below the driver's seat. Test the GFCI breaker by first pressing the reset button, the test button, and then the reset button once again. During a charging cycle, keep the battery compartment open. The solid yellow light will illuminate and indicates normal charging. Install the hose brackets and secure drain hose to the rear of the machine. Loosen both black knobs on the squeegee assembly and place at the rear of the machine. Align the knobs with the slots on the machine to install squeegee assembly. Once installed, tighten both knobs and connect the vacuum hose to the center. Remove the cap and fill the water tank with clean water and the proper cleaning solution. Check the water level gauge to avoid overfilling. Turn the red water valve to the horizontal open position to allow water flow. Install the correct type of scrubbing pad based on your floor care and scrubbing needs. Two 17-inch pad drivers are included and pre-installed. Scrubbing pads sold separately. Insert the key and turn to the on position. Press the forward drive button. Select the required water volume amount. Lower the center levers to engage pad drivers and squeegee assembly. Check your surroundings and step on the pedal to drive forward. Your auto floor scrubber is now prepared and ready for operation.